My name is Evan Okoro.
No, let me appear.
Appear with
It's not like that.
What?
Go and do it outside.
Eh?
Go and do it outside. It's not only in the house that you come and be person. Go and do it outside. Husband will not come inside the house.
Are you normal?
No. Husband will not come inside the house. Husband cannot come in one spot. You have to go outside and communicate. You understand? Okay. Every time, power, room, chair, you don't finish. Are you like that?
Are you talking to me?
Is it like that?
My country people see as Evans Okoro just dey enjoy the fruits of our labor. Chai, to born early dey good though, seriously, cause she born this her pikin at the age of 16, though out of wedlock, But now she don dey enjoy am, cause if to say she comot am, like I don't know, by now she for don dey enjoy all these things. So the daughter dey indirectly tell her say, abeg mama, go outside go find husband, time don dey go, e don reach for you to find man come, no be every time you go dey inside dey do whatever. Say make you go outside kwano. Say make she sef get father now, she don old enough to get papa. Chai, I love this relationship.